For this next section, we're going to be making a bar graph. All of the graphs we've done so far have been picture graphs, but today we're going to make a bar graph with the information we have. If you notice, if I click on all of these animals up here, none of them can move. That's because I'm not going to be moving them for this one. For this one, I'm going to be counting how many are up here, and then I'm actually going to be coloring the bars in to make a bar graph. So let's start with our hippo. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the box that you want to color. Then you're going to come up to this paint can right here. It says fill color. You're going to click on it, click on it, and you can pick any color you want to. So I'm going to pick green. Now what happens with the bar graph is all of the bars that you're going to make for one category have to be the same color. So if you pick green for this first box for the hippo, the rest of them have to be green. Alright, I remember I counted 5, so I'm going to go to the next box, and I'm going to fill that one green. There I've shown 2. Okay, and we're going to make this one green. 3. Okay, and 2 more. 4, and one last one makes 5. Okay, so we just graphed a bar graph for the hippos. We said there are 5 hippos. Now let's count the sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are also 5 sheep. Now if you want to do green here for your sheep, that is fine. If you want to keep it the same as the hippo. Otherwise, you can pick a different color. I think I'm going to go with blue this time. Now since I picked blue for the first box for my sheep, all of my sheep boxes have to be blue. So there's 1 box, 2, 3, 4, one more makes 5. Alright, there are a couple more for you to practice here on the side.